Question 3. Write the integrating factor of following differential equation 1 plus y square plus 2xy minus cot y into dy by dx equals to 0. So here is the following equation, which can be written as dx upon dy plus px equals to q. You must be thinking, what is p? So here we have taken 2y upon 1 plus y square as the value of p and q as the value of cot y. Now let us solve 2y upon 1 plus y square. Let us assume that 1 plus y square is t. Differentiating it further with respect to t, we get 2y into dy is equals to t. Now putting this in the original equation, here it was dt. Putting this in the original equation, we get dt into 1 plus t square is equals to log of 1 plus t square, which is log of 1 plus y square plus c. Now this can be written as this as well. Therefore, let's calculate the integrating factor. The integrating factor is given by the formula e raised to p dy. Now p is 2y upon 1 plus y square, so it can be written as e raised to log 1 plus y square dy. Here the log term gets removed and the answer is 1 plus y square, which is the value of integrating factor. Thank you.